Hi and welcome to a new video where we will be talking about Python and how to kind of create your first small project. Now, Python is a high-level interpreted programming language that is known for its simplicity and readability. It's often recommended to beginners due to its clean syntax, which allows developers to write code that is easy to understand and maintain. So if you don't have Python installed, you can just go to python.org/downloads and then just download the latest version of it. Now, I have a Python installed on my PC, but what I can do is that I can just, in my command prompt, to check which version I have, I can just type Python version. And I have 3.13.3, which is the newest version available. Now, so what you want to be doing is that you want to go into a file directory where you want to create your project. So I've created a folder here, which I will just use for this purpose. And I will click cd and just paste the file path in. And now we can see that I'm in the correct folder. Now, this is for later, but we would open up the Visual Studio Code. What it could do is just File, open the folder like this, and just select, and now you would be inside the folder. Click New File, and then just create it. You can name it My First Project.py. Now, py is the extension for Python, which means that the computer will now know that this is a Python script. And we want to run this script within the command prompt and then output what the file tells us to output. So we will start with a definition. We can say we want to greet YouTube, right? So we want to put in the name, colon, and then we want to return hello with a comma, and then just put in the name, right? What this does is that when we try to print this out with the command prompt, it will return the hard-coded hello with whatever name in the function that we are putting it, right? So if we say then print greet and then YouTube like that, it would then hopefully say hello YouTube. Now if we save this like that, you will notice that the circle is gone, which means that it's saved. We can go back here. In a command prompt to run a Python script, you need to first type in Python, and then what you could do, which is kind of a smart thing, is that we know that our file is called My First Project, right? But instead of typing the whole thing, you can just start on the first key and then just click Tab, and you will notice that it would automatically pop up. If you had multiple Python scripts within one folder, you can just click Tab to run through them all. But we want to do this, so let's run it. And now we can see that the output of this file here, as we put it in the code here, it prints the greet definition and then YouTube. And as you can see here, it says hello YouTube. Should probably put a space there, but yeah, you get the meaning of it. And that is essentially how Python works. Now this is just a simple Python example, and I will in future video go in more depth on how to create huge projects within Python. Thank you so much for watching this video.